Hey folks, and welcome to Dine Drink Vegas. This is Bill. It is May of 2023, and I'm here outside the Fulton Street Food Hall in Harrah's, right in the middle of the Las Vegas Strip. So, usually on this channel, what we review is high-end restaurants, but not every meal can be a high-end experience. Sometimes you need to just grab something fast. What I'm going to do right now is walk you through this food hall to show you what some of the fast-serve options are if you're in the middle of the Strip. So, one of the things to know is not everything in here is open all the time. However, the bar, it's a casino bar, so it's open 24/7 because it's Vegas and they're going to be willing to sell you a cocktail. I will say that they have a better selection of liquors than I see in a whole lot of casino bars, right? The ones directly on the casino floor. Open for breakfast and for most of the day. There is a coffee and pastry shop over here. It's just kind of your standard Starbucks-esque sort of thing. Although for me, this is actually better because I don't like Starbucks coffee all that much. Now, I will say it is about 7:19 in the morning. When I got here, there was no line for it, nor was there a line for the Bobby Flay burger. That was 20 minutes ago. The line has since developed. So if you want to get in and out of there quickly, that's something that you're going to want to come a little bit earlier for. Like I said, I had my breakfast here at Bobby Flay Burger, and it was good. I really enjoyed it. There were some things that were annoying, like I paid $5 for the drip coffee that I got, but still, let me give you a view of that menu. Most of your burgers are around 14 or 15 bucks. I had the brunch burger. I really enjoyed what I had, and so the burgers were fine, right? The coffee struck me as a little bit high, but it was also good coffee. Actually, let me stop here real quick, show you the bakery and cafe, essentially the proto Starbucks sort of thing, which has got your typical coffee shop sorts of prices for something on the Las Vegas Strip. So I was here yesterday evening. I didn't eat. It was a lot busier during the evening, but what they've got is some no-name restaurants along the side, but actually all the food that came out of them looked pretty good. For example, that is a pizza oven. I think they're trying to keep that closed, so I'm certainly going to respect that and not go in. But they make fresh pizza out of a nice oven. They've got a salad bar back there. They've got a pasta place. So it's a really nice approach to kind of your standard food court. I'll keep walking around. I'll say I like the ambiance. It seems to be decorated nicely. You've got a soup and sandwich place. For all of the things back here, there is one central cashier that you go to. And then walking back around to the side, you've got a sushi place that I actually wanted to try last night. So it's weird, right? It just says sushi. That's it. Right? It's not a named restaurant. It's also a very small place, but during the evening hours, somebody will come in there and make the sushi fresh, and I think that would be a whole lot better than just picking something up. There was also a noodle bar that I saw quite a few folks at last night. It looked like it was popular and exciting. So again, this is the Fulton Street Food Hall inside the Harrah's, Las Vegas. It's about 7:20 in the morning on a Tuesday in May of 2023. And no, this isn't the sort of place we normally review on this channel because I normally want a kind of high-end meal, but that's just not feasible all the time. Like this morning, I just woke up, I needed something greasy and something quick. The Bobby Flay Burger hit the spot. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If it has, we would really appreciate your support for the channel by having you click like and subscribe. Tell your friends. Go in the comments section below. Tell us what you think because we love to interact with folks there. Thanks so much and happy travels.